Hi, I have created a YouTube Shorts creator. What it will basically do is, for example, if I'm giving a prompt here, and I'll be automatically getting a YouTube short, which is of whatever duration I want, maybe 30 seconds to 60 seconds. I can download this particular short, and then what I can do is I can upload that particular thing in YouTube. How is it different? Whatever shot which is going to get generated here is based on my avatar and based on my voice, right? That means it's not real me, but the thing is my avatar will get rendered here, and at the same time I'll be getting my voice for this particular YouTube shot. And another thing is I need not give a script also. Script will also be generated by AI. So these are the three things which will be automatically generated by AI. So what I'll do is I'll give a prompt here. Maybe I want to know something about Claude Mythos, right? So for that, what I'll do is I'll give a prompt so that the YouTube short related to that will be generated. So let me paste it here on what need to be done. So what I basically want is, like, for example, I'll go here and I'll say what I wanted to do. So generate a YouTube short which is very engaging and viral, and it has to talk about Claude Mythos, and it has to clearly tell what are the dangers because of Claude Mythos in a simple language so that everyone can understand. The video has to be between 30 seconds and 60 seconds, and it should tell what will be the repercussions or what will be the dangers which will happen when if Claude Mythos is out and publicly available for everyone. Give some simple examples so that everyone can easily understand. Okay, this is what is the prompt which I have given. So obviously I need to do little bit of correction. So YouTube short which can engage, so that about, it's not Cloud Mythos, so it's Claude, Claud, Claude Mythos, and about Claude. So I need to do little bit of corrections to the prompt, which I'll be doing it, uh, and it is very clear. It's not Claude. Yeah. And I have used another AI tool in order to generate, instead of typing this, I have used a tool called as Whisper Flow in order to dictate, and this particular prompt will be actually displayed here. Okay, I think I'm good. Of course, this is not structured in a proper way, but I think it you know gives the overall picture of what I basically want, right? So I'll tell the tech behind this once I get a video. So what are the tools which I have used and what are the connections which I have used in order to generate this particular video? So right now what I'll do is I'll click on generate. Then the short YouTube short is going to get generated. You can see this one very well, that this is what is my tracking window, so which will say that it is going this is taking some time. So typically, in order to generate this with a lip sync video as well as my voice and all, it will take decent amount of time, approximately 2 to 3 minutes of time, in order to generate this kind of YouTube shot. So what I'll do is I'll click on the pause button, and once it is getting closer to completion, then what I'll do is I'll switch it on again so that you can see how the YouTube shot has been generated. Okay, I think the video has been generated and you can see my face here. And if you see the length, it is approximately 36 seconds. So let us try to see what this video is all about. I mean, let us try to play this video and understand whether it has given in a proper way. If it is not giving in a proper way, that's also fine, because I didn't give the prompt in a proper way. That is the reason why, the video is not that engaging or something. But you know the concept is basically tested, so let me play this video and see.
What if an AI could convince you that your own memories are fake? This is the dark side of the Claude mythos. It is not just a chatbot, it is a master of psychological manipulation. If this technology goes public without limits, the danger is massive. Imagine receiving a phone call from your boss that sounds exactly like them, ordering you to wire life savings to a scammer. Or think about a world where fake news is so personalized and perfect that you cannot tell what is real anymore. It could start digital cults or destroy public trust forever. Is total AI freedom worth the risk of losing our reality? Tell me your thoughts below.
Okay, you can see, of course, maybe it told very generically about Claude Mythos, but there's much more better way in order to tell about the dangers related to Claude Mythos. But anyway, a video has been generated. Now what I can do is I can go here and I can download this and I can upload it in my YouTube. So it's so simple, right? I mean, in order to create YouTube shorts and all, it is very simple. The problem is not uh, you know um, how it has explained the problem is with the prompt. Maybe I can think better and put a proper prompt so that I can get a video generated in a very. So in this way, what I can do is I can generate any number of videos in a single day and I can put that in YouTube and make myself popular. This is totally possible. So now let me talk about the tech which is behind this. So in order to create the video avatar and all, what I have done is I have used Hagen in order to create a video avatar from my default video and all which I have given. And another thing is for voice and all, I have used 11 labs in order to create my voice clone. I have integrated both of them. And the third one is about the UI. In order to create this UI, I have used Lovable in order to generate this particular thing. And I have fed in all the relevant API keys so that I have generated this particular app and I rolled it to production. That means, so whenever I want to create a YouTube video, it is very simple. So I can create just like that within seconds. The only effort which I need to put is, creating a good prompt here, right? Obviously, all are chargeable. So I'll, yeah, a little bit chargeable based on, whatever the seconds of video which I'm generating about. Okay, that's how it is. Um, so we can use tech in order to generate the YouTube videos. So in my next video, I'll talk about how we can actually stitch B-rolls into this kind of content so that it will be much more engaging and exciting. Thank you.